love this blender, babe.
Yeah, this is our Ninja nutrient and vitamin extraction. You can use
We've had a ton of blenders too.
yeah, you can use this big pitcher, or
Oh, what else you got, babe?
you can
Show the good people.
attach the small ones with a lid onto the bottom.
We love this blender. This blender
I mean,
is
we have
amazing.
more than one Ninja, so I'm just
wow.
trying to find the right piece. So you can do an individual one also.
And how many blenders have we gone through in the last 10 years?
I mean, we've gone through a lot of blenders. This is, you know, you don't have to take it apart and shake it, and it blends, it gets it smooth right away. It's
Nice.
perfect. Yeah, it's an awesome blender.
Oh, that looks delicious, babe. What do we have on the menu?
Yeah, perfect consistency, you know, no clumps left.
Nice.
Yep.
Love it.